door will not turn deadbolt. But if you put a key in, the key turns it and allows the deadbolt to retract. Then you can't get the key out. Once you take the key out, deadbolt goes back to not being able to function. Put the key in, turn it all the way around, it works, but you can't take the key out. Take the key out, it unlocks. And you go back to not being able to use this. And this is the second of the 3-pack, and they both did the same thing. So you lock it from the outside. This works. Once you take the key out, no longer works. 0 stars.
Scratch. Ouch. Why?
Alright, here's the lock. This is unlocked, which is, it should, you know, move freely. Lock it. It turned, locked. Come over here, and you can still force it down. See how it's staying down? It shouldn't open, it should stay locked. It doesn't, the door can be opened while it's in locked position.
Lock the door. Unlock. Locked. I guess it's just for looks.
Unlock it.
That there's